911, what is the location of your emergency?
Yeah, my wife just, we're semi-truck drivers. We're about the 197 on I-90, or 201, I'm sorry.
Okay, what's going on there?
On the westbound side, we're turning around to see. It appears that a car, we don't know if it hit an animal or a person. We are trying to turn around to see what's going on. But she said she seen matter in the road, and it looked like a person laying there.
So it looked like a person laying in the road at about 201 westbound?
Yes, and there's an SUV or a pickup there with its headlights on, and we're turning around right now headed eastbound. We're going to turn around and head back that way to see what it was. But she said it definitely looked like a person or an animal in the road.
Okay. All right, stay on the line just a second. I'm going to send help as far as the ambulance, but hold on just a second for State Patrol so you can let them know what's going on and they can send somebody out there, okay? Hold on just a second.
All right, yeah. Okay.
And you're their daughter? Spokane 911, the location of your emergency.
Well, I was told to call this number if I had any information about
what's the location of your emergency?
201 westbound, callers on the line. They're reporting that a vehicle hit something in the road. It looks like a human. I'm sending aid.
Between last night and today.
Okay.
What are your parents' names?
Sir, go ahead and let them know anything else you've got, okay?
Okay, do you have any information on
Yes,
that?
ma'am, thank you.
Well, I would be able to tell them
Hello?
certain things to look for
I don't know. It looks like a small pickup truck or SUV.
They're up at my parents' house right now, supposedly.
Spokane 911, the location of your emergency.
911, what is the location of your emergency?
Yes, I am westbound on I-90.
Okay, stay on the line one moment. I'll be right back with you.
How long ago did your parents disappear?
Sometime between last night and today.
What are your parents' names?
Richard and Teresa Kim.
Okay, do you have any information on that?
Well,
911, what is the location of your emergency?
To look for clues.
911, hello.
What's going on?
Okay, hold on 1 second, all right?
Were you in this car? Hey, can I have the highway patrol real quick?
And you're
Okay,
the daughter?
so, sir, are you the one that called in the thing at milepost 201?
Spokane 911,
Yes, there is a woman in the road.
It is a woman. Okay, I'm going to get State Patrol on the line for you. Is that your wife or somebody on the other line?
About my
I don't know.
It's got the same area code. That's why I'm wondering. I'm going to put you through to State Patrol. I'm going to put you through to State Patrol. I'm going to talk to the other person. Thank you.
What are your parents' names?
Richard and Teresa Kim.
Okay, do you have any information on that?
Well, I would be able to tell them certain things to look for clues.
There was a man and a woman, a little girl.
Okay, hold on 1 second, all
They're
right?
up at my parents' house
Yeah,
right
this
now,
is the driver that just called in.
Oh, okay. Are you back on?
There is a woman naked, dead in the road.
She is.
Spokane 911, the location of your emergency.
Pardon me?
Well, I was just told to call this number if I had
Hello?
any information about my parents.
Yes, she's deceased. It looks like she fell out of the back of the truck. She has a screwdriver through her heart.
What are your parents' names?
Richard and Teresa Kim.
Okay, do you have any information on that?
Well,
Ma'am?
Yes.
Sorry about that. I had another 911 line ring at the same time. Hold on just a second for me. And are you there on scene right now?
Okay, hold on 1
Yes,
second.
my husband is probably...
I think he's the one on the other line. So hang on for me just a second, okay?
Okay.
And you're their daughter?
Yes.
Spokane 911, the location of your emergency.
Back it down westbound. You need to be in your left lane. Back it down westbound. There are people in the road. Get in your left lane and back it down westbound.
Yeah, I want you guys have a truck, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I've got all kinds of help on the way, but I want you guys to turn this. Hang on.
Yeah, they're coming. I see the lights coming.
Have your husband park his truck so that people can't run over her, please, with his lights on, flashing. Hang on.
I'm here.
Okay, hang on. I'm talking on the radio, too.
Everybody's all responding units. There's also another pedestrian walking eastbound. From light 202.
Well, I just told to call this number if I had any information
Are you there?
about my parents.
I am.
Yeah, she is.
How long ago did your parents
She has no clothes on and a screwdriver through her heart.
Between last night and today.
What are your parents'
I've seen a Hispanic man and a little girl walking down the street,
information on that?
down the highway.
Well,
Okay, is the vehicle still there?
I would be able
Yeah,
to tell them
the window's busted out, the back hatch is open and everything. It looks like she might have fell out the back.
Okay, hold on.
I don't know.
They're up at my parents' house right now.
No one's with that vehicle anymore?
Pardon me?
No one's with the
And you're
vehicle?
the daughter?
No, there was a Hispanic man and a little girl walking eastbound on the westbound side. I see a state.
I just told to call this number if I had any information about my parents' disappearance. And
How long
Okay,
ago did your
where
parents
did you last
disappear?
see the male and the child? How long has it been?
last night and today.
What is your parents' name?
Teresa Kim.
All right.
Do you have any information on that?
All right, the man, the highway patrol's here right now.
Certain things to look
Okay.
for
All right, thank you.
conclusive
All right, thank you very much, sir.
what's going on.
Okay, hold on 1 second, all
They're
right?
up at my parents' house right now, supposedly.
And you're their daughter?
They told me to. They told me to.
They told you to what, honey?
I'm sorry, I'm telling my husband.
Okay, we've got help on the way. Just get yourselves all out of harm's way. I don't want you getting run over.
Here.
My parents' disappearance.
Ma'am?
They're pulling up
Okay.
now.
Okay, good.
I'm blocking her so that nobody can hit her. They're going to hit me and the officer behind me first.
Okay, good girl. All right, you did great.
Okay, do you have
You did
any
great. Now I'm going to ask, okay, I want you to talk to the officer. You're going to have to give him your name and your husband's name because you found her, okay?
That's fine. No
You guys are
problem.
not in any kind of trouble and you didn't do anything wrong.
Okay, hold on 1 second.
Okay? You guys did fantastic, and I know this was a horrible thing to find, but you did really, really good, okay?
Thank you.
Okay. All right, I'm going to talk to the officers, okay?
Okay,
Okay, bye-bye.
Of your emergency.
Bye-bye.
Well, I just told to call this number if I had any information